We are on our way to Bacolod. Say hello.
Hello! Paalala lang na normal na hindi na kami.
That's the old airport.
Grabe crew, busy rin for natin.
Ganon kaliit yung old airport.
Grabe crew, sa movers and cross check. Here, guys.
Camille, welcome to Bacolod. Hindi na ako magtatagalog sa iyo, ah. Ilonggo na lang. Kaintindi ka? Ang tsindihan mo, namit, kaon, busog.
Namit pinaka-importanting word yan, no?
Sabagay. Wala. So this is the road entering Bacolod. Talisay to Bacolod. We're on our way to get some spare ribs. Garlic spare ribs. Uy, okay, akyat ba tayo? Okay. So ito yung, dalawa lang yung overpass dito sa Bacolod. Ito yung isa.
Kala ko nakalimutan mo na how to go there.
Hindi, dali lang. Diretso, kaliwa, kanan. So, tingnan mo itong aming overpass. Pinakaunang overpass.
So, where we're going, how long na sila open?
Matagal na. Like, I don't know, like, matagal na. And I've been going to this restaurant for quite a while. Every time I'm in Bacolod, dito talaga ako kumakain.
First stop mo to usually.
Always. Always. It's not purely Ilonggo food, but
It's parang...
Chinoy.
It's
no?
Chinoy.
Tama. Yeah, and it's only done here. Pero yung paggawa niya, iba. Ang sarap. Actually, nakakuha ako ng inspiration. I mean, sa sige-sige ko na kumakain dun, even sa aming restaurant, merong inspiration of that dish. Pero syempre, hindi siya, kumbaga hindi ko ginaya. Kumuha lang ako ng inspirasyon, pero dun pa rin ako kumakain. ano mo yun? So,
Is it nostalgia or...
nostalgic na siya in a sense because madalas ko siyang kinakain, and every time I'm craving for something good and I don't want to think, doon ako pumupunta. And I love anything that's fried, and this is fried to perfection in a different way. It's sort of like a wet batter with tons of garlic. You know what? Let's just go there. Ito yung chicken house. Alam mo yung chicken house, Chicken Express ko na video? Ito yun. Ito yung tatay niya. Dito nagsimula. I'm not quite sure if this is the first branch, but this is the branch where I would go when I was like, like grade 6. I would stop by here and order a garlic rice. And of
Garlic
course,
rice lang?
of course, chicken na rin. Pero minsan garlic rice na nga. May times na garlic rice lang. And I would eat here by myself all the time.
At grade 6?
Onwards. This is my high school.
What's
my
it
alma
called?
mater. Huaming or St. John's.
So it's a Chinese school, no?
Yes.
Can you speak Chinese?
我是口语师 Cat do shak. Di siya meet niya. Cat do shak. Okay, we are here. There is Luisa's. Oh wow, we have a parking just in front. Kasha ba tayo?
Oo naman.
Okay, they close at 1:30, pero I called the owner na sabi ko papunta tayo, and sabi ko damihan yung bawang. Ayun. So since 1995.
This is actually one of my favorite restaurants here in Bacolod as well.
Talaga, I'm glad that you like it.
Super.
Imagine kung may partner ka tapos ayaw niya yung kinakain mo. Mahirap kaya yun. Alright, let's go. Hello. Hello. Ano na siya? Naluto siya sa sulod? Sige, sige. Maulat lang kami diya. Excited ka na?
So excited.
Si Camille went on a fast. Oh, ilang hours?
16 hours.
16. So this is your first meal?
Yes.
Ayun! Nara siya. Tagiya. Si How. Hello, hello, hello. Basta. Ayaw, ayaw. Extra garlic. Okay, thank you. Sige, sige.
Ating alarms, doon ako garlic spell, isa ka ng chili, doon ka rice spell.
Oh, sakto. Okay. Thank Ano ni Dai?
Maki soup, sir.
Maki soup. Anong unod niya?
Pork and egg.
Pork and egg. Okay. Wow. Grabe. The menu is very limited, which is what I prefer. And mas focus yung kanyang lasa or yung quality ng mga food niya. Yung lasa ng sabaw, konti lang nilagay nila pero lasa mo lahat na mga flavors. Hence, nagre-reflect sa menu nila na maliit na super focus sila sa mga dishes lang nila. And it reflects kasi yung quality maganda. Lumalabas talaga yung lasa. Hindi yung daming pangyayari. Anyway, ang dami kong sinasabi. Ito na yung ating garlic spare ribs. Garlic spare ribs. Okay. Sabi yung garlic spare ribs. Manamis-namis, mabawang. Yung tamis ng bawang, doon mo siya nakukuha. At saka yung, hindi siya yung, yun nga, because it's slow cooked. Nice crop. Sakto.
Dani, more?
Dahil, ngayon, may soy sauce ka mo. Normally, kinikit-kit yung taba ng spare ribs. Ito, kitkitin ko yung bawang ng spare ribs na dumidikit sa bones. Bawang, bawang. Thank you. Yung bacolod, yung soy sauce namin is patis. Yeah. Yung patis namin is spiritual. Bakit mo siya favorite?
No, it's so hearty. The garlic, it's so nice. So,
Tama. Ako jutay lang yan. Jutay lang ko yan na soy sauce. Kasi gusto ko may pangpakontra lang sa tamis.
I eat it with ketchup or something.
Or ketchup, hot sauce. Para pang balance lang. Soy sauce, hot sauce, and banana ketchup.
For the
Masarap. Galing mo, Luisas. Oo, ang ganda mo dito. Parehas sino mas mahal magluto?
Si Mami.
So, iyagin niya recipe?
Yes.
Siya
Kay
ganyan.
Papa.
Papa. Pero gin-dedicate niya ang restaurant sa kay mami mo.
Pero mostly today ako
Oo.
ako niya copy-paste na lang niya.
Pero, gin-enhance niya. Tingnan
Yes.
niyo.